Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Sites. Every Sunday I will introduce a Japanese beautiful place in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to this script I'm reading from in this video description. Today I will talk to you about Shugakuin Imperial Villa. Shugakuin Imperial Villa is a beautiful royal villa located in Sakyo Ward, Kyoto. It was built in the early Edo period by Emperor Gomizunoo. This villa is famous for its large gardens, elegant buildings, and the surrounding natural scenery of the surrounding mountains. Shugakuin Imperial Villa is considered one of the finest examples of Japanese gardens. The main attraction of the Shugakuin Imperial Villa is its expansive gardens. The gardens are divided into the three areas: upper, middle, and lower. Each area has its own unique beauty. The large pond in the upper garden is a great example of the traditional stroll garden where you can enjoy the changing scenery with each season. The villa also features traditional buildings like tea houses and pavilions offering visitors a peaceful experience. Recently, Shugakuin Imperial Villa has gained attention for its efforts in sustainable tourism. Activity to protect the environment and preserve the gardens are ongoing, ensuring that its beautiful landscape can be enjoyed by future generations. Visits to Shugakuin Imperial Villa require an advance reservation, which helps limit the number of the visitors and protect the gardens. Shugakuin Imperial Villa is also a popular spot for foreign tourists. English guide and tours are available, allowing visitors to learn about Japanese history and culture while enjoying the beautiful scenery. By visiting Shugakuin Imperial Villa, you can deeply appreciate Japan's traditional sense of the beauty and its harmony with nature. Its charm continues to attract visitors from around the world. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.